Hi students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about conditional statements in C language. In C programming, decision making or conditional statements are used to control the flow of program based on the certain conditions. These conditions evaluate to either true or false. Below are the key types of decision making statements. First statement is a First conditional statement is the if statement. The if statement evaluates a condition. If the condition is true, the true body of the code will be executed. There is no else part for this syntax. If condition, open the bracket, and this is a code to be executed if the condition is true. For example, int x equal to 10. If x is greater than 5, print x is greater than 5. So if the condition is false, there is no output printed on the screen. Blank space will come as an output. For example, I'll explain through an example. So this is a code. This is an if statement. So hash include stdio.h into main int x equal 10. 10 is x is a variable which I declared as an integer, and 10 is a value assigned to the x. So if x is greater than 5, so then printf x is greater than 5. So if the condition false, so there is no output I have written to display. So no output will come. Output will be the blank. So I'm executing this program, compile and run. So zero errors, and look at here, because I declared x equal to 10. Now I compared the condition is what? X is greater than 5. Yes, the condition is true. True body will be executed. Okay. Next one is a if else statement. The if else statement is the alternative path. If the condition is true, the code will be entered into the, if the condition is true, true body will be executed. If the condition is false, so false body will be executed. So this is a true body of the if, and this is a false body of the if. Example, I'm taking the variable x equal to 3. If the x is greater than 5, if the condition is true, true body will be executed. If the condition is false, so false body will be executed. Okay, so this I will explain through a code. So this is a if else statement. Hash include stdio.h into main. So I declared x is a variable which is value 3, and I'm comparing. So x is greater than 5. If false, because x is equal to 3 now. 3 is greater than 5. It is a false. So hence, so compiler won't enter into the loop because the condition is false, so it goes into the else part. So then the answer will be x is less than 5 because the condition is false. So x is 3, the condition x3 is greater than 5 false, hence it is not entering into the loop and direct is going to the else statement. So print the statements which are there in the else body. Okay, so let me execute this. Okay, look at here. Okay, na? X equal to 3, 3 is greater than 5 false, hence it is displaying x is less than 5. The answer is x is less than 5. Next. Okay, so next one is the else if statement. The else if statement allows multiple conditions to be checked in a sequence. It executes the code for the first condition that evaluates to be true. For example, look at here, I wrote the syntax. So if condition 1 is checking the condition 1, if it is true, this will be executed, or again one more condition will be given. So it is also checks if the condition is true, this body will be executed. Else if these two conditions are not true, so by default else statement code if none of the conditions are true. Okay. Let me explain through example. So x equal to 15 I declared. So x is at 15, 15 is less than 10, false. so it won't enter into the loop. And again checking with another condition, if x is equal to 15, because x equal to 15, now this condition will become true, this part will be executed and show the output. So if these two conditions are not true, then automatically, so this by default statement, else statement will be printed. In this case, so x I declare as a 15, 15 is less than 10, false, it is not entering into the loop. And so second else if condition will be checked, now it is true, no, this output will be displayed onto the screen. Now I'll show output. So this is a else if or if else if statement. So int main, so x is a variable I declared as a 15, now 15 is less than 10, false, 15 is less than 10, false, so hence it is not entering into the true body of this if. So again checking with the x equal 15, now 15 equal to 15, yes, this statement is true, entering into the body of this and printing x equal to 15. Else, so if this statement and this statement are not true, similarly it goes for entering the okay, false statement. So this is the output which we are going to get. So let me check, compile and run, right? Look at here, so x equal to 15, because so x equal to 15, 15 is less than 10, false, it is not, and this output not shown. And second statement is correct, 15 equal to 15, this is true, that's why it is printing x equal to 15. Here see here, x equal to 15. If these two are not true, by default this statement will be displayed on the screen. Okay, continue. So this is the example we discussed.